Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Out here doing some fishing. No catching, but fishing. So we've actually been out here since about 8:30. It's 1:30 now. Not a single bite. Naturally the people there, a couple, grandfather and his two kids showed up, grandkids showed up. And within 20 minutes of getting here, they just, boom, reeled one in. And then it was boom, 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 they caught 3 more right next to us. Well, whatever. It's good times though. It's good times. It's been relaxing. Poor lady showed up and she, her straw hat went flying into the lake. So she managed to fish it out with her pole. And I was telling her that, you know, if my hat flew in the water, I'd be going swimming. It's a really nice day though. Got a little sunscreen on the back of the neck. Been wearing the hat the whole time, shades. A little bug spray, keep the little buggers off, but it's been a good time. So I think now we're gonna eat, do some lunch. So what we got going is we've got some bratwurst with buns, and I'm gonna cook up
the zoo today, but the zoo tickets were expired.
I've got a pasta side, cheesy bacon macaroni. With a mini summer sausage. So what's the brand on that grill?
Huh?
Do you know the brand on that grill?
Charbroil.
Charbroil?
Yeah, it's a name brand.
Nice. You got it for $10?
Yeah.
Score.
I bought one for Emilio and...
Score.
Next time I see a sale, I'll get you one too.
Yeah.
But I found all sorts of outdoor gear, and they sell camp fuel for almost half its price.
Where at?
KOC, one clearance. If you need campfire fuel,
yeah,
you get a big jug.
Wow.
Huge. Those cans usually cost 20, and I got it for like 13.
So I don't have any stoves that take the cook can like that. I don't just use these.
Yeah, it's compact because the handles, they fold in and you can carry the whole thing without it splitting apart. That's pretty awesome. And then you can stack stuff inside it too before, and then you store even more stuff.
Yeah, that's true. Got this olive oil container. It's one of those before they become a bottle.
Oh, really?
Yeah, like for soda bottles.
That's pretty.
So I got a little fat for the Nor. See, check it out. It's like a lid.
My mojo.
Nice, nice.
I'm gonna move your pool right here so we have one.
Oh, cool.
Just like run out of space. So
Water for the Nor, which is 1.5 cups of water, half cup of milk, so 2 cups of water. And I need my fire kit. Light the stove.
you know, your Dr. Pepper, and when it flops, put it in the trash bag.
Cool. Yeah, I'm done with it. We don't need no milk for this.
Do we?
Well, the directions said half cup milk, but
yeah,
we're not using milk.
If I was, I'd just bring powdered.
Powder would have been a good idea. Damn good idea. But I've made these pasta sides so many times, like I've never...
It's rich enough without the...
Yeah.
Well, thanks for taking the day to take an inexperienced person out with you.
I don't have a ton of experience either, so... Nice.
Nice.
Nice. There we go. Oh yeah. And I'm gonna...
You want to cue the... Ow. Ow.
I would like to find that sound clip and put it in my...
Soundtrack.
Yeah. Alright. what I'm gonna do with this, I'm gonna put it in the frying pan. We're gonna pan fry a little bit.
Oh, you come right in a package. That way it stays put and
That way it stays put,
yeah.
doesn't make a huge mess.
you
As long
just
as
throw out.
the knife is nice and sharp. Spyderco Endura 4, my food prep
Call that
knife.
a knife.
My knife.
You like the Smith & Wesson knife?
I do. That's a nice knife.
It's pretty tough, but it wasn't meant to like kick back on you if you're in the middle of doing something really important.
Yeah.
Because some of those knives just, the release to put it back in is horrible.
Oh yeah.
And it comes back and cuts your whole hand. It's like, what the hell? There's a volume control in it?
Yeah, there's temperature control.
Ow. Ow. You could do an ASMR channel where you just cook stuff. Because people kind of like watching that.
Yeah, actually, if I had a big enough kitchen, if I had a bigger kitchen, I would.
Wait, you still have that oil, right?
What oil?
The olive oil?
Yeah.
Mojo?
My Mojo.
We can put it on the buns, like a light drizzle. And,
Oh yeah, we could do that.
let's give that a shot.
I'm just gonna give these sausages
A nice saute.
nice
Saute.
nice saute. If I had a bigger kitchen, I would consider doing like a cooking. I would actually just do cooking videos on my main channel, not do a second channel.
Yeah.
And then maybe get a big dehydrator and do things like making my own, pack foods and stuff.
I'm wondering how the sweet mustard. Alright, there it goes.
So there's the stuff cooking.
There we go. There we go.
Yeah, we're just talking about these pasta sides. I mean, they're not bad for what you're getting and the cost and the fact it's only 3.8 ounces and it just needs a little bit of water. I mean, the downside is you gotta cook it other than dehydrated, but I mean, they're a good base for whatever you want to do. And of course, those brats look money. Seems like this side's hotter. I'd almost switch them. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah. And we got some sweet and hot mustard. And I swung by a special place this morning, and I picked up some Texas Pete hot sauce packets. Oh yeah. Give Chick-fil-A a little plug. Basically, I went in and bought a chicken biscuit on my way out fishing. Just grabbed a big handful of we're just adding some color to the sausage. Yeah. Oh man, those are really starting to smell good. Really good. We were just discussing how versatile chopsticks are. I think I've actually got some at home. I might
bring a chair with you.
Yeah. You can eat with them. You can cook with them.
Adjusting.
I mean, if you go.
I mean, you can use it as impromptu skewers too.
You know what? Actually, that's not a bad idea.
It's thicker. It's better than regular skewers because it holds the weight more.
Yeah, you just sharpen the end, which
Just soak in water.
I always carry a knife.
Yeah, if you really want to go all out survival, you can make punji sticks. You want to do a little dirty, you want to see it in use fast.
Alright. Separate some of the fat. There we go. I got a little grease for the animals. Added a seasoning in my pan. See if I can get the. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Is it smoking so bad for a reason?
Because all the grease and oil. Yeah, I'm gonna turn it off. I think we're good. There we go. Let it air out a bit.
Oh yeah, look at that. It's doing it up right. My pan's got another layer of seasoning on there.
And we're gonna just let it warm the buns.
You know what? I'm not even gonna wash this. I'm just gonna let it
do its thing.
Let it do its thing.
That looks good.
Thickened up real nice. A little bit more. And of course, total fail on my part. I didn't have another silverware with me. Shameful.
But that's my fault.
No, that was my fault. Now I feel compelled to make a travel cook kit now.
Like for more than one person.
Just for multiple people.
Yeah.
And if I'm ever, camping and it wasn't planned, I was like, no problem. I gotta cook it. I mean, I'm thinking just silverware and stuff like that. Nothing too crazy. And of course, I'm about to throw in some Texas Pete hot sauce in mine.
That sweet and hot mustard is pretty good.
We're gonna put the whole packet in there because
mustard?
No, the Texas Pete, the whole thing. Because why wouldn't you? Put a little trash bag. You go. Thanks. Thank you. Cool. I think let's focus on the dog.
Of a crisp.
Oh yeah, nice and crispy. So there we go.
You want to taste the mustard before you?
I'm sure I'll like it, but
you don't have to put all the mustard on. You can put a little bit on one side. But I like it. It's really good mustard.
And of course, we're gonna put hot sauce in this too. We're gonna put the whole damn thing on there. Oh yeah.
We should have done a review on that. Well, made a mention about this.
The grill?
Yeah.
I mentioned it, so. Huh, here you go. All right. Start with the dog. Oh man. Wow. That's really good mustard. So it's sweet and hot mustard.
95 cents.
95 cents. I got really good with that Texas Pete. I mean the toast on the buns is perfect.
It's not too crisp.
Not crispy, but not too crispy.
Doesn't rip your mouth apart.
Doesn't rip your mouth apart. Not charcoal. Let's try the Nor pasta side. Oh yeah, And the little sausage. Whew. Whew. Get that kick from the heat. Mmm. Oh yeah, that's a money combo right there. Well, it's still daylight, but I'm packing it up. So it's we've been here since 8:30 this morning, and it's 4 o'clock now. So I'm gonna head on out. I'm gonna go see some friends and do some things before tomorrow, because it's Mother's Day tomorrow. So happy Mother's Day, everybody out there who's mom. This video will probably be up much later, but I hope you had a nice Mother's Day. Actually got asked for my fishing license for the first time. I had it on the front seat of the car. Thankfully it wasn't sitting at home on the dining room table, so otherwise it would have been a $181 ticket or something ridiculous. But you know, don't forget your license. Didn't catch anything, didn't have a bite, not even a bite. People next to me caught. The kid, as I was leaving, said he caught a small perch and then he caught a little bullhead, so but at least he caught something. So it was still a great day though, good time out, really nice weather. Hawks flying above, ospreys, bald eagles flying over the lake, really cool. Of course, you know, cheeky buggers, they wouldn't come down for a photograph. Typical. You know, it's hard to film them because, you know, they're in motion, and so that's too bad, but it was still nice seeing them. Plus, you know, pictures and video never really do it justice. They should have just come down and landed on the dock and I could have gotten a picture, but maybe next time. Alright, as always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.